Hello again. I'm down the big pond at the moment. This is where I'm going to catch a 30-pound carp off the top on a fly one day. The only problem is location down here. I have actually spotted one carp, but I couldn't get it to take a mixer, so I've given up on this one for the time being. Sound should be a lot better. I have an external microphone, so the quality of my videos is going to improve massively. Alas, we're going to the pond to have a match in a few seconds. Fantastic day. We had absolutely loads of fish. Sounds a bit poor because there was a hurricane going on. Normally I wouldn't recommend fishing in these conditions, but it was a grudge match. Jeff's a very competent fly angler, and the last match we had a few years back, the pike fly match, which I'd won, I had a 24-pound 12-ounce pike plus a few doubles. I can't believe he caught a bigger fish and caught more in the end. So stakes are high. Having a bit of a mare just now. Fishing, we've got a lot of wind, 20-mile-an-hour winds. I've hooked and been snapped up twice, so I've got snags to my left. If I go up on the line, I probably won't get the bites. Jeff is behind me. He's had a couple and he's lost one, so see how it goes. A lot of fish in front of us now feeding. Isn't it in beer? This one by the longer landing net is actually quite good for.
Yeah, I find the weight is a bit of a problem.
Yeah. Oh no, it's quite lean and like a Sussex Wildie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Proper bad. Man, doesn't feel that big, this one. Having said that, I don't think I've got it off the bottom yet. Shaking its head like an eel. I don't know, don't think so. Doesn't feel like a carp, it feels like an eel. No, it can't be an eel. I mean, catch an eel on a fly would be quality. I saw a big eel come on a lure. Big eel. No, he had it on one of the trials. It was in the Angling Times. It was like 6 or 7 pounds. I can remember the lure. It was on a Nilmaster lure. Yeah. Called Dave Fish. I think he ran the Walton-on-Thames PAC. The quality of it. I tell you what, it doesn't fight. It's not fighting like a normal carp at all. Oh, I was giving it too much. I think that was a better fish. I think that snapped me up. No, he's pulled out. Today is absolute carnage. 20-mile-an-hour winds. I've lost 3 or 4. 2 break-offs, which isn't too bad for me. Jeff's managed to lose 3. He's managed to catch a couple of 3. I don't know if you're going to hear this so well because it's so windy. I'm having a cup of coffee, as you do. Letting the fish have a feed. Of course, only my fly into action again. I don't really advise carp fishing on the top in high winds. A little bit challenging, especially with the fly. Tonight things have gone from bad to worse. I've been broken up 3 times, probably lost 3 fish. Now I've upped my game to 15-pound line. Heavy winds. we'll see how we go, see if we can get a fish on. I don't understand why I managed to lose so many today. I really don't. I mean, there is a snag to my right. Lost a couple in there. No excuses really, just complete incompetence. Not even dodgy knots. As I said, no excuses. Lots of break-offs today. Got up to £15 line. I'm not going to give them an inch this time. Have this fish on, I would have already lost it. I think I'm still going to lose it. I would have actually, would not got it away from that snag. There's a better fish out there. Yeah. Might be it.
Could be. Get off your chair, mate.
I'm going to stick with £15 line now. Yeah, wouldn't have landed that fish without it. Another common on the fly. I say that it definitely is on 12, £13. Can't knock that, can I? I'm not getting more bites than £15 line. Everyone's heading for those pads over there, Jeff. This means I'm in the lead. Nothing's putting on the back in yet. I feel like I let them go that far, I did. Bob Church Forum. 20, 30 years old this one. This is fishing reels, but look at the drag on it. The reel I've got a really good drag on it. You in as well? This one is actually how foul looks. Must have slipped. No.
Pull back. Yeah.
Thanks for watching the carp fly match. It was the conditions weren't perfect, but 8 fish each was pretty damn good. I'm glad to say I won with the biggest fish at the end, a personal best fish, which actually just happened to be the same fish I caught a few weeks back. Big fish point counts, I won the match. There is a steward's inquiry about one of the fish that I caught being foul hooked, but I can actually categorically deny that's a complete lie. The hook slipped out of its mouth as it was coming into the net, and it was only a couple of inches before Jeff's, to be honest, was bad loser. I hope you enjoyed it. I do intend to do some more videos in the near future. In fact, I've actually done a couple of pike fly videos. We've had some absolutely huge fish on the fly. I don't quite know how we've done that, but I don't intend to release those until I've got several thousand subscribers. I've had my £30 carp out of here and written a book.